Does the thought of moving either houses or businesses or any locations just completely overwhelm you because of how much goes into it, including the organization of everything in the boxes? Once you move it, you have no idea where everything is. You have to write out huge lists on the box, and it's still chaos when you get there. If that's you, give these labels a look, you guys. So these are a true game changer. Okay, so these are QR codes that you get that you can stick on each single box that you have. Download an app. It is AI generated to where you can just take pictures of the items you're putting in your box and it knows exactly what's going in there. You don't have to put anything in manually. So it is super simple. You don't have to break out that Sharpie because it's all going to be safely stored in this app. You can actually search specific items. Put that in your search bar. It brings it up. It tells you which box it's in because each one of these QR codes has a box number, I guess you could say. Not only that, but you can share this with family members, co-workers, whoever is moving with you, so they have access to all what's going in. This eliminates having to look through box after box after box for that one pan to cook in once you're at the new place or whatever the item is. It's so simple, so easy. Let me show you how this works. So there are instructions to follow, super simple QR code for your Android or iPhone to download the app that you are going to need. Once you have your app downloaded, all you're going to do is you're going to add QR label here. You are going to scan this. As you add item, take photo. It doesn't even have to be a great photo, okay? You just take a photo, use the photo, continue. AI generates what it is. So it says black stapler being held above a partially visible, it goes into detail, okay? Continue, you can add notes if you want. This is going into my office supply box, save item. Let's say I'm done and I just need like a filler object. So I'm putting in a hat, which is not an office supply. So this is how this is so handy. You take a picture, drop that in there, continue. It's going to generate what it is. Blue baseball cap, okay, so perfect. Normally if you have extra items in a box, it's impossible to find. Once you have all your stuff, you can come in here and search by the QR label number. You can search by items, type in baseball. So you can see automatically a few pop up because I have another box that has hats and backpacks and it has the keyword baseball, but you can see I found my blue one right here in this box. Super easy, you guys. That makes it so handy to be able to search for specific items when you do not know where they are at. And then once you're in a box, you can add a collaborator if you wanted other people to be able to search for items, add items. This is an organizer's dream for moving. I want to thank this brand for sending me this and compensating me for my honest thoughts after using. This is by far the best way I have ever seen to organize your stuff so that once you get to your new place, you know exactly where and what items you have. So you do not waste unnecessary time looking for this. This is a game changer, a time saver, so simple to use. Anybody can use this. This product absolutely has changed the moving game for me, and I hope you found this review helpful.